Hello and welcome to softexpert. In this short video tutorial you will learn how to fix or bypass FTP login while installing WordPress themes or plugins. And usually we get this message when we are using a managed WordPress hosting. Now you can easily write your hostname, FTP username and password and you can bypass this. But if you don't have these logins from your client and you want to bypass this, you can do it easily by watching this video. Let's cancel it and you will see this message while installing a plugin or even if you are updating any plugin. For instance, let's try this one. So while updating a plugin or installing a plugin, we are seeing this. Let's cancel it and let me show you how we can fix this. So the first thing is you will need to log into your hosting. And for this website, we are using WP Fix It hosting. You can use this method or any hosting, okay? The method is the same. Or you can even access your file using FTP clients like FileZilla. So in your hosting, just go to your file manager. Then if you have multiple websites, then make sure you are on the correct website, okay? And here you will need to edit WP config file. Just right click and then click edit and then scroll down until you see this define WP debug files. And you can see we can add our custom values here. So just click here and then add a code, which is this one, define fs method to be direct, and then just save it. And sometimes the hosting don't save WP config files. Let's close it. And if I edit it again, you can notice that that code is missing. And this is because sometimes hosting don't save WP config file. So let's cancel it and we will do it with another way. We will just download this file and we'll open it. And now we will edit it locally, okay? So we'll paste the same code here, we'll save it. Now if I open it, we have the code here, okay? Now we will just upload this file here and we will delete this one. Let's upload it. And we got the new file. And now let's check the website again. And now if I click install now, you can see we can install this plugin and we can also activate it just like this. And now we can also add themes, we can upload plugins and so on. So this is how you can fix this type of issue and you can bypass FTP login. And I hope this short video will be helpful for you. To learn more about WordPress, just visit my channel. I have lots of videos about WordPress, Elementor and WooCommerce. And still, if you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next.